going on, y'all? It's your girl Danielle Denese back again with another video. In today's video, I have an unboxing. I'm unboxing and doing another review on some Asics sneakers. So if you're interested in this review, you already know. Sit back, relax, and as always, we're gonna get right into it.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Alright, y'all. I want to thank y'all so much for coming and kicking with me. As I previously stated, my name is Danielle Denese. New beauties, hey girl, how you doing? Returning beauties, welcome back. And if you ain't a beauty yet, what are you waiting for? Like I said, my name is Danielle Denese. I do a lot of fashion content, mommy and me stuff, a little bit of travel vlogs. If that sounds like stuff you're interested in, we will be a great fit. Hit the like button on this video, hit the subscribe button, become part of the gang, become part of the crew. Yes! Okay, so we're just gonna jump right into it. I did go ahead and pick up some more 1130 Asics sneakers. Reason being, as you saw from my last video, I love these sneakers. They are so comfortable. Like, I had to come through and do another review because this color wave is fire. And I want to shout out Kayano. She actually posted this color wave on her story, and I was like, oh, I have to get it. So I picked them up, and of course we're gonna review and unbox with you all. So let's get it. So as always, the box just comes like this. So this sneaker does come in men's sizes. The last sneaker I reviewed actually was women's. So quick reference, that sneaker I did get a 6.5 in women's. These sneakers were in men, so I did get a 5 in men. Okay, and they do fit the same. Okay, 6.5 in women, 5 in men. If you're around that, you know, use that. And I don't know if you're new to this, but I'm true to this. When it comes to sizing and full detailed reviews, I got you covered, sis. Which is why, if you haven't already, hit that button down below. Okay, so as you open them up, you know, we just get the actual sneaker. But I'm sorry, like I said, when my girl Kayano posted them, I said, oh, I had to have them. Because I don't know if you know, but the Asics are... This sneaker is so comfortable. So comfortable. Like, so comfortable. I wore these to an amusement park. I'd had no complaints. If you need a sneaker where you need to be comfortable, this is the perfect sneaker. Okay? Traveling in the airport or traveling, perfect sneaker. Amusement park type of adventures, perfect sneakers. Sneakers where you're going to be on your feet for a long time, perfect sneakers. These are like the most comfortable sneakers I own. It was only right I got this colorway because it is winter and fall. I did opt to get this because it does have mostly black. My last colorway, if you revert to the previous video, I put it in the car so you can see if you're interested. That was giving more like a spring and summer vibe. These I'm here for the winter. So let's get into it. We have this silver detailing with the black mesh and a little bit of this like a chocolate brown and a light brown type of thing. Oh my goodness, these are so gorgeous. If you was looking into these are your confirmation, get them. I had to pick mine up from Goat. I pretty much get a lot of my sneakers, if it's not like Fight Club or Goat, it's one of the two. It's either Fight Club or Goat. And they did have them on hands. If I can find them, I will link them down below. I even seen they were back in stock on Finish Line too, I think it was. But I did cop mine from Goat. Okay, so like I said, just get into it. This is a self-explanatory. Look how beautiful they are. This screams winter. The black is giving for the winter and the fall. Okay, I cannot wait to wear them. They're gorgeous. They're gorgeous. And they do fit true to size. So whatever size you normally get, if you have any other Asics, I do understand that some of them run in women's. Like I said, I'm a 6.5 in women. I did get the 5. So you would go down like a size to a full size and a half when dealing with men and kids sneakers. But whatever size you normally get, I think they fit pretty much true to size. I'm gonna do a split screen of me actually wearing them like right around here. But yes, perfect sneakers. I just can't wait to just run some errands and look cute in them. Nice little gray sweatsuit, nice little leather jackets. Even like aviator jackets, the black and white aviator jackets, this will go hard with it too. I love them. I love them. Asics, spot on when it comes to comfortability. It literally feels like you're walking on a cloud. This is the most comfortable sneaker I own. Like, I already know, like during the summer, I always was reaching for The other color wave I have, I already know for the fall and this up and coming winter, I'm gonna be reaching for this color wave as well. Like this is my go-to sneaker. So let's get into it. If you haven't purchased it yet, this is your confirmation. You came on this channel because you wanted a little bit of information, whatever it may have you. This seals the deal. Go out, sis, and get you the sneaker. Okay, straight to the point. If you like straight to the point reviews and unboxing, sis, I hope you did it. Because we supposed to be here. We vibing and it's a vibe. Come through. Alright, so again, I want to thank y'all so much for coming to kick it with your girl. Thank you so much for all the support. Thank you for the subscribers. Thank you for everything, okay? Until next time, see y'all in my next video. Mwah.
Such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing.